Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reverse a clip in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the edit menu where we have our projects. From here we just select the project that we want to work on. Like this. Then we tap on edit. And then we scroll to the right. And here next to opacity we have reverse. Now the only thing is that you can only use this function when you actually have a video. Here I have two pictures inserted, but if I would have a clip, then I would be able to reverse the clip. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.